Class 5, welcome to this social studies lesson today. Now, in our previous lesson, we had discussed the areas where flowers are grown in Kenya and the major factories or the major companies that deal with flower growing. We also discussed the importance of flower growing in Kenya. Right now, I want us to continue discussing the cash crops, and our new cash crop is wheat growing in Kenya. Now, wheat is a cereal plant that is grown on large scale. This type of cash crop was introduced by the white settlers. Who are these white settlers? These are the Europeans from abroad. So they are the ones that introduced this cash crop known as wheat in Kenya. Then, this plant can also be grown on small scale. It can also be grown by those farmers who have small pieces of land. Now, during harvesting of wheat, a machine is used. The machine that is used to harvest wheat is called a combine harvester. It is called a combine harvester. So for wheat to grow very well, it requires some conditions. So let us look at the factors that influence the growth of wheat. Factor number one is that wheat requires a well-drained, fertile soil. It requires well-drained, fertile soil. So it means that if soil has poor drainage, if soil does not release water appropriately, it will not necessitate the growth of wheat. Then another factor is that wheat requires moderate rainfall throughout the year. It requires moderate rainfall throughout the year. That is during the growing period. There should be moderate, not too much rainfall and not too little rainfall, in a medium manner. Also, wheat requires cool temperatures throughout the year. Wheat requires cool temperatures throughout the year. Remember, it's not cold temperature. It is cool. So it should not be hot. Then another factor is that wheat requires dry, sunny period during the ripening period and the harvesting period. So wheat cannot be harvested when it is raining. So that one is a very important factor for wheat growth. Another factor is that wheat requires gentle slopes to facilitate the use of machines. Remember, I've said that harvesting of wheat is done by the use of a combine harvester. This combine harvester is fixed on a tractor. So if the slopes are very steep, use of machine will not be possible. So it requires a gentle slope so that the tractors move freely during the harvesting period. So in our next lesson, we shall be discussing which areas do we grow wheat in Kenya. And what is the importance of wheat in Kenya? Thank you, and let us meet in that lesson as we shall be discussing over the same.